Here are some tips to help you win big in high-priced real estate markets. First, research local market trends. Understanding the local market trends is key to making informed investment decisions. Track property values, inventory levels, and average time on the market. This will help you spot trends such as areas poised for growth or when market conditions favor buyers or sellers. Second, leverage market cycles. Even expensive markets experience fluctuations. Buy when the market dips or during slower seasons. Wealthy markets are often influenced by global events, so pay attention to larger economic factors that could create opportunities for a smart purchase. Third, find emerging neighborhoods. Identify up and coming neighborhoods that are still relatively affordable but have potential for rapid appreciation. Look for areas with new infrastructure projects, improving schools, or gentrification. These neighborhoods tend to offer significant upside as they become more desirable. Focus on location. Even in luxury markets, location is paramount. Proximity to major business centers, good schools, public transport, or desirable amenities, parks, beaches, shopping districts will help ensure long-term value and liquidity. 5. Invest in property with multiple revenue streams. In expensive markets, maximizing your return is essential. Consider properties with multiple units, short-term rental potential like Airbnb and or commercial space. These can help you generate income faster and offset high property costs. 6. Work with experienced professionals. In high-end real estate, it is important to work with a team of seasoned professionals. Real estate agents, financial advisors, and attorneys who specialize in luxury markets. They can help you navigate the complexities of high-value transactions and avoid common pitfalls. 7. Get pre-approved for financing. In competitive markets, being pre-approved for a mortgage gives you a significant advantage. Sellers are more likely to accept your offer if they know financing won't be an issue. Additionally, consider working with a mortgage broker familiar with jumbo loans, which are typically in expensive areas. 8. Be willing to negotiate creatively. In high-end real estate, negotiating doesn't always mean lowering the price. You can negotiate favorable terms like seller financing, extended closing dates, or repairs. Creative terms can give you an edge without sacrificing the property's overall value. 9. Consider long-term value. Focus on properties with long-term growth potential. Even if they don't seem like the hottest ticket now, look for areas with future infrastructure projects, rezoning plans, or new developments. Patience can be highly rewarding in luxury markets. 10. Minimize risk with the diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even in the luxury markets. Diversify your real estate portfolio across multiple markets or property types, like residential, commercial, or mixed use. This reduces risk and helps you ride out any downturns in one specific area. 11. Add value to properties. Expensive markets provide an opportunity for substantial gains. If you are able to add value, this can be through renovations, upgrades, or converting the use of the property. 12. Have a contingency plan. Real estate markets, especially expensive ones, can be volatile. Always have a financial cushion for unexpected expenses like repairs or economic downturns, and an exit strategy in case you need to liquidate quickly. 13. Utilize tax benefits. Take full advantage of tax benefits related to real estate investing. This could include deductions for mortgage interests, depreciation, and property taxes, or leveraging 1031 exchanges to defer capital gains taxes when selling a property. 14. Stay patient and persistent. Winning in high end real estate markets often requires patience and persistence. Prices can be prohibitive, but long term gains can be substantial if you wait for the right opportunity and avoid getting caught up in short term market swings. By following these strategies, you can make savvy investments in expensive markets that yield significant returns over time.